Every DMS has their own API and their own specifications. So anytime you're connecting two systems, inevitably with those connections, things happen. Those connections break down.
It's a lot of work to get those integrations in place. Our resources are invaluable, and making sure that they're focused on the right things at all time is one of my main jobs.
Any API has a complexity level to it, and anytime that we're dealing with all sorts of car data and dealership data, there's always complexity. Some of the systems that we integrate with offer no tools. Sometimes they offer some tools, but they only work part way.
Being able to bring 3 different DMS systems into one essential API connection has really simplified that for our developers. We now have one place to go, and it helps us to really be able to spot check, to be able to correct issues a lot faster by working with Motive and having that consolidated integration.
A product like Mix that can not only take all of this and aggregate it into one spot, but standardize the data so that we can write to one solution is definitely a huge advantage. It's nice to have somebody that specializes in this. We can be experts on what we're good at, and that's helping dealers find opportunities and make happier customers.
Mix has helped us connect to and then now have that ability to bring on DMSs at a faster clip to help us connect to more dealerships. Any new ones that we want to explore, it's going to be a faster turnaround for our development team if we leverage it through Mix rather than going direct. The more that we can apply those resources to our product itself and not just the collection of the data, will benefit us in the long run.
Motive single-handedly gave DMSs and third parties like us, a plug-and-play platform to build these integrations.
In terms of a common unified model, I would say that it drops our development time drastically. Maybe cuts it in half or even by like 66%.
It's remarkable that since we've joined with Motive, my development staff, for the first time in several years, has had time to work on other internal projects. And I owe a lot of it to how much easier it's been to get these new integrations done with Motive.
With Mix, building those relationships and be able to walk in the door and have a menu of all the different DMS systems we integrate with has really helped us a lot.